I charge of the late entries, getting stopped out on pullback. Fair value gap could provide you with a better entries, better risk management. We'll look into what is FVG, types of FVG, identifying FVG, trading with the real chart examples. All right, what is FVG? FVG is market inefficiency or price imbalance. It's formed when price move aggressively upwards, leaving a gap behind. Types of FVG. Bullish FVG is formed when price moves aggressively upwards, leaving a gap behind. Bearish FVG is formed when price moves downward, leaving a gap behind. How to identify the valid and invalid FVG? In case of bullish, upper wick of the first candle and lower wick of the third candle isn't intersecting and leaving a gap behind is valid FVG. If upper wick of the first candle and lower wick of the third candle is intersecting and isn't leaving a gap behind is invalid FVG. In case of bearish FVG, if lower wick of the first candle and upper wick of the third candle isn't intersecting and leaving a gap behind, it's a valid FVG. If they are intersecting and isn't leaving a gap behind, it's invalid FVG. How to trade it? First step is to identify the 3 candlestick pattern with a bullish FVG. So I could see the bullish FVG. Second, you need to see your bias. Is it bullish or bearish? Third, you need to look for the pullback. At the pullback, after the rejection, you will enter. Stop loss would be below FVG and target will be your bearish OB. How to trade bearish FVG? Look for the 3 candlestick pattern forming a bearish FVG. Confirm your bias if it's bearish or bullish. At the rejection of the pullback, you can enter with the stop loss below FVG and target is bullish OP. All right, let's look at the real chart example. Price is currently in downtrend. We'll be looking for the bearish FVG. Here we spotted one bearish FVG. We'll enter at the rejection or 50% of the bearish FVG. Stop loss will be below of the bearish FVG or the high of the swing. And target would be your next resistance or bullish order block. For bullish FVG, let's find one bullish FVG over here. So here the price was in uptrend. So we need to spot the bullish FVG over here. So right, I could see one bullish FVG. Entry would be at the rejection. Stop loss would be swing low. And target would be your next resistance. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press bell icon.